Have you ever noticed that band on a towel? It actually has a purpose, and a lot of people have no idea. Towels are one of those things we use all the time, in the morning after a shower, in the evening after a bath, and for drying our hands after washing them. They're soft, absorbent, and with frequent use they can wear out pretty quickly. That's why it's worth paying attention to that band you'll find on almost every towel, both big and small. Interestingly, it isn't always in the same place. Sometimes there's one band right at the bottom, sometimes it's a little higher up, and sometimes a towel has two or even three of them stacked one above the other. A lot of people think it's just a design detail to make the towel look more elegant, but it actually has a name: the Dobby border. It's woven much tighter than the rest of the towel, which strengthens the edge and helps it keep its shape. It prevents the fabric from stretching out too much, and it also acts like a small barrier that protects the edges from fraying and damage. Plus, it gives towels that neat, distinctive look. That's the real reason that little band is always there. You can even share this fun fact with your neighbor. Go ahead and use your towel and wash it like normal, without worrying that the edges will wear out too fast. This trick always impresses guests. Fold both ends toward the center, roughly halfway in. Now fold the bottom part of the towel inward, leaving a small extra flap at the edge. Tuck the end underneath. Next, gently pull the fabric out on one side, and then the other to create wings. Finally, pull out the extra flap at the top and shape it into a collar. Now grab a small hand towel. Fold both corners toward the center. Then fold one corner in again and do the same on the other side until you get a long strip. Tie a small knot at the top. It'll look just like a real tie. Place it in the middle of your towel shirt. Done. Set it in the bathroom or on a shelf, ready for your guests. This towel shirt with a tie looks like a classy decoration straight out of a luxury hotel. It instantly catches the eye, and every guest will love it. A regular washing machine can dry your laundry too. Every machine has this function, and your clothes can come out just as dry as from a dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. No need to set up a drying rack that takes up space in your room. You'll save time and effort. How is this possible? It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. After washing, don't take them out immediately. Instead, add a fluffy towel to the drum. If there's enough space, add two. Then run the spin cycle at the highest speed. The dry towels will absorb the moisture from your clothes. By the end of the cycle, your laundry will feel like it came straight from a dryer. For even better results, set the highest spin speed during the wash cycle. A final spin with dry towels will make drying even more effective. I put my sweaters out on the balcony, and my neighbor thought I had lost my mind. In reality, it is a simple trick to refresh wool. As soon as there is snow and freezing temperatures, I take out my wool sweaters and do what is called snow washing. I lay them flat on the balcony, which is covered with snow. I use this method for merino wool, cashmere, and regular wool garments. Then I sprinkle them with a thin layer of fresh snow. This method comes from a time when washing machines were not common. It answers the question of how to wash wool clothes without them shrinking. The snow should cover the entire surface of the garments. I leave them there for at least 1 hour. After that, I shake off the snow. The freezing temperature refreshes the wool and removes bacteria. This way, wool can be refreshed without damaging it or risking shrinkage. Bad odors disappear, and the fibers of the sweater become fluffy again. Then I lay the clothes flat on a drying rack, far away from the heater. Wool garments should not be dried at high temperatures because they can shrink. It is important that they lie flat, as this protects them from stretching and losing their shape. Wool clothing should not be washed often, which is why I use this grandmother's method whenever snow appears on my balcony. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water. around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Stop hanging wet clothes the usual way. There's a smarter method that saves space and time. Most people hang shirts lengthwise over the metal bars of the drying rack, which means you can only fit about 5 shirts per wing. But here's the trick. That same space can hold twice as many if you hang them differently. Grab each shirt by the bottom hem and clip it sideways across the width of the rack, not along the bars. Hang the next shirt right next to it, the same way. This way, clothes don't overlap so they dry faster and more evenly. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts on one wing. It's not just space-saving. Better air circulation means quicker drying. And here's a bonus. Shirts hung by the hem tend to straighten under their own weight, which makes ironing easier or even unnecessary. A simple change, but it makes a big difference. Never hang wet clothes the usual way. Stick a Band-Aid on the mirror to check if someone is spying on you. This simple trick will quickly reassure you if you're safe. Take a regular Band-Aid and stick it on the mirror. If the adhesive pad reflects in the mirror, you are facing a regular, normal mirror. Look closely. You should see the reflection of the Band-Aid with the pad. On a two-way mirror, however, you won't see this reflection. If the Band-Aid doesn't reflect, someone might be observing you from behind the mirror. Another method worth knowing is the finger test. In a normal mirror, there will be a gap between your finger and its reflection. But if you touch a two-way mirror, your finger and its reflection will touch directly. Another method is to use a marker. Draw a line on the mirror and look at it from an angle. With a regular mirror, you'll see 2 lines, the one you drew and its reflection. However, if you do this on a two-way mirror, you'll see only 1 line. With these simple techniques, you can always ensure that you have full control over your privacy. Use laundry clips in the bathroom, and you'll be amazed at their effectiveness. Bathroom clips have a unique purpose. Few know the secret, but once you discover it, you'll surely be impressed. And so will your guests. Every bathroom with a toilet is one of those places in the house where there's usually more dirt and bacteria, and sometimes even mold. With frequent toilet use, many people use popular detergents for cleaning and disinfecting. After using them, the bathroom smells pleasant, but they work briefly and are expensive. After flushing the toilet a few times, there's no trace of them. Today, I'll show you a way to make your bathroom always smell like a luxury home, and it's all thanks to laundry clips. Though it may sound strange, such clips are suitable for this task. It's worth starting with the fact that these are wooden clips. If you already have clips, you'll also need essential oil, preferably with your favorite scent. Eucalyptus works well in the bathroom. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. We'll use it on the clips. Even 1 drop on a clip is enough for you to feel its extraordinary scent. Refreshing and pleasant. When you moisten the clips with it, place 1 or several in different spots in the bathroom. It could be a container for paper towels or a small trash bin placed near the toilet. You can attach a clip to the shower glass. Wherever you do this, the scent of the oil will be long-lasting in the bathroom. Your bathroom will always be fragrant.